Look at Mavia. Jeez. Peanut. Peanut's getting to a spot. AIXBT is getting to a spot. Look at ALCH. ALCH looks good. This narrow state. Peanut running into a VWAP here. That's a VWAP from God knows when. Bitcoin bleeding into the session. Virtuals also at a spot, but into the supply zone. That's what this is. No, I didn't see that. Is it for professional too? Is that like didn't offer that for professional? I just paid the thing today. Let's go. What a banger. This AIXBT really quick. Nice. Look at Peanut falling over. So today, be careful with the chop. Careful with the chop. ALCH is looking really interesting. Higher low on the RSI. Things are giving a buy signal. The KVO might be turning up. Mavia also flying. Watch for that dump. AIXBT, watch, if it's going to reject here. Here we go. Watch that ALCH. Here we go. Boom. Nice. I don't like that Bitcoin candle like that. That's why I didn't like it. You see what I'm saying? AIXBT short. Bang. Got it. Turbo still doing his thing. You got to be quick with your stops now. Bitcoin breaking under the 50. Nice little drop from Bitcoin, but where are the altcoins dropping with it? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. AIXBT printing. Virtual dropping. Bitcoin short also giving some cash. I think I'm gonna have to leave it alone for the day. Look at that P&L. Ah, look at the peanut short. Ah, man, why is this AIXBT holding up like this? What the fuck? Drop. Uh-oh. Look at that buy up. The power of stop losses. Hey, ALCH, watch it again. ALCH. Like that's probably gonna be the long. Turbo rejecting nicely from that 50 line. What a scam. What a scam. What a scam candle. And that's why I said watch out for the chop. Dude, even my Bitcoin short went in the red and I just added. All I did was just add there because I have no choice but to add there. Like, man, just like a scam. That gave me another 3% of my account. This jumping more into the short. DEXE is doing something. Wow, what a bull elephant bar and then a bear elephant bar. See, like that's a bear 180. Like that's super powerful. Seeing like it came into this narrow state and you see the fuck around. That's why I said watch for the chop because I saw everything was in like these things are in a narrow state. Narrow states means that chop. Just like the same way we saw it on the daily time frame with Bitcoin. You saw how they did the bear fake. They dumped it. It wasn't fake. Like that's what really happened. It dropped, but then it reclaimed. So here, same thing. It's like here's starting to look maybe like the opposite. Like it pumped up, and then like the real move is down. But like, let's see. I like at minimum, I see it hitting the pivots, like coming into the daily pivot, just to interact with it. Like, why would it bounce here? Yeah, I mean, there's no reason for it to bounce here. It would either need to continue going lower or it just needs to break out and just go higher. The candle, right? The candle is going to tell you, not the moving averages. The candle tells you. The moving averages is just letting you know, like, watch for the whipsaw and watch for like on the closures. It's nice how Turbo is holding under that 50 line, but it's still holding above the 28. So it's like, we can't be like, oh, you know what I mean? Like, it's about to be for sure short. It really just could be color changing here and pump. So you need to break that. ALCH losing the 28 here. Back test. Back tested the 50 already. HMA is curving. But all of these are going to be swing plays. Like, I hope you guys are like understanding that. Like, everything is going to be a swing play at some point in the near future, like in the next 48 hours, 72 hours, today. I don't know. Um, not saying like, hey, like it's going to be like a short this moment, just in general. Like, there is going to be a play that will come. Hey, just also, and like, just let's not forget, like, remember what the sentiment was like when we were at the demand zones on the daily, and check what the sentiments are like today while we're in supply zones. I mean, Solana literally went from the bottom of the demand zone to the top of the supply zone. Easy swing. You just got to concentrate and not get sucked into this fuckery over here. The same way now there's fuckery over here now. Because, I mean, pretty easy play. 40%. It's not even been 2 weeks. Oof, virtual. Virtual hit that supply zone right there. Drop. Bitcoin made the new low. This AIXBT relentless. Nice little gap up by the S&P. Man, we would have been in the short if we traded stocks. It's a bear elephant bar. Straight short. Max leverage. Gonna have to hedge along here at some point. Which long do you guys think is the best long as a hedge? Turbo's doing a color change. Man, just I don't know, man. Just longing something here. I'm gonna stick to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's above the 50 line, I'm gonna hedge my same Bitcoin. The only thing I got going on is Bitcoin. And I'm fucking around with like a Solana on like Bitfunded. Actually, let's see how red the position is because I haven't even looked at it. Yeah, it's pretty red. I should definitely add here. Fuck, I knew that ALCH was gonna go. Look at it. Yeah, so like we just gotta understand, right? So the market moves in three phases, right? Trending up, accumulation or distribution and trending down. So it's like I think we're entering the distribution phase. So it's like chop. You know what I'm saying? Like I would be careful. The same way like 2 weeks ago, it was chop trying to get into the zone, and look, 2 weeks later, everything's up like fucking 100%. Bitcoin with a $20,000 move. AIXBT is back under. Fuck. I tried to sneak into AIXBT and I put the stop too fast and it touched me. It touched me out. Oh, nice. It still caught me 7%. Yeah, I've legit had a crazy day. Do you guys think I could push it to 200? If I didn't, if I held this AIXBT thing, we'd for sure be getting close. Maybe Bitcoin can make it happen. If Bitcoin drops 2% right now. Bitcoin short printing. I don't trust Turbo until it's under the 50. I mean, under the 28. Like it's gonna backtest the 28. You know what I mean? So there's no rush. I mean, I only talked about the AXBT breakdown like 70 times. Kidding, Ivan. But virtual was the easy one. Virtual was the easy one. Daily supply zone. The alert was the top. Virtual was the easy one. Turbo, I don't trust it. IP, I don't know, man. IP is like breaking down, but it's like near support and stuff. Not support, but it's like it hasn't ripped, so like it could do something stupid to catch late shorters, or people will think that hey, it's weak, compared to Bitcoin, and it'll do something stupid. Like it'll just pop. Like it just broke this trend line. So it's like, it's back tested it. Maybe it needs like a moment. So I'd be interested to see the relative strength on this thing as Bitcoin's coming down. Peanut, banger short also. Told you this one was a short before the open. They came to try to wick you. Any questions for me, champs? I think this was a very successful session, nice and easy. I mean, it needs to drop 2% at minimum. You know what I'm saying? Like what we talked about from yesterday, it hasn't done that. Like that just needs to happen. Like it's just natural. Like we're not asking for anything crazy, dude. The fucking 786 is 4.5% away. Well, not now. Hold on. Yeah, like man, we're not even asking for anything crazy. Step one is this liquidity line, 92,344. You can see a bounce happening there, maybe, which is the top of the pivot. What a coinkadink. Dude, sometimes crazy the shit that I draw on the screen and how it matches up with other shit. Um, it could bounce here. That's what I was just saying. Like, hey, it needs to at least interact with the daily pivot. Bitcoin, man, Peanut, what a printer! Did anyone take the Peanut short? Virtual printing, AXBT printing. Bitcoin printing. The session is recorded. You can also see it on YouTube or my Twitter. You guys know the deal. It's at 189 now, the account with this Bitcoin drop. If I held the AIXBT, we'd be over 200. Fuck. Oh, good. Man, this ALCH, it also feels like it's going to do something stupid. Or maybe it's going to collapse really stupid. Did we ever figure out what this is? ALCH. Does anybody know? Like, what does it do? You mean zones to the upside or zones to the downside? Well, I mean, any zones to the downside are far away. Just like I was saying, like even like the Bitcoin first area is 2% away. Yeah, like see the differences of below or above the moving averages? Like look at the ones below. ETH below, you know, Turbo above. See this? Fucking around. Like it's in like the trap area. Virtual broke under the 28, but still now it's in the trap area. AXBT doing the same thing. Mavia doing nothing. Literally nothing. Oh, resistance wise, yeah, it can break it. I just think anything more from here is just like just wrecking shorts. It's just to stop you out. It can range the whole day and just stop people out. ALCH ripping. See, this looks like it's in a good spot. Yeah, I'd be careful with the alts today. They seem like the alts feel like they're gonna play traps all day, and Bitcoin is gonna be like just follow that. Turbo's hilarious. Banger long if you're in that trade. Dude, it's up 10% in a few candles. There goes Cetus. I think Cetus just gave it to me, guys. I just need to put my stop. Yo, I got it. I haven't had one of these in a long time. I always have an issue getting above 150. And they stopped me out. But yes, I definitely secured the profits. And now it's pumping again. Fuck. Now it's gonna rip. See, like, I like the ones that are just like kind of calm. Like, like Cetus was just calm, like sitting on the line, easy, like stop. I moved my stop too up too fast. I wanted to secure the profit. And like that was that. Like there was no reason for me to even do that. I should have just left it alone. It would be running. Mostly it's because I just wanted to secure that all stupid. But really, if I wasn't being stupid, dude, I'd be up 150% on the trade at one point. The account would say 220 or something, 240%. But no, I am gonna like seriously ask, like, why isn't everybody in a virtual short? Like, fuck, that was the top. Like, you guys are definitely doing yourself an injustice if you're not looking at my charts every day from the ones that I do on Monday. You're just like wasting your time. I mean, fuck, man. Like, how many of you guys want to like reverse time? So at one point, this trend line was here, right? This trend line was here for the people that don't attend things in the morning that are here now. This broke out of this trend line and it pumped, right? The alert came in the server. If you're a paid member in the server, the alert came in the server. And the last time I did like checked it, it was like a 70% move. Let's see if I could just throw it back on here. That was the trend line. There was an alert. You flip on to the 2 minute. Check this out. That's your breakout. 132% move. Where were you at when this alert happened? That's what I want you to ask yourself. And how clean this was. Clean breakout, test the support, bang, gone. Did you have to have some patience? Most definitely. But what did I say about, hey, when it's really going to work, the bot is going to react from a fib? Most definitely. To the penny. Not maybe, most definitely. Nice little 618 hit, gone. But that's where the trend line was. You can go back and look at the charts. It was there. The alert came in the server. Here, I'll even find it for you. Turbo USDT P. And there it is there. There's the proof. It's just for the people that haven't been around or paying attention much in the server. I'm just like sharing these things. For the people who are like a bug about, you already know the deal. But what a monster trade. Deep also did something crazy off of our level. Pretty much believe it was from the zone. But obviously, go back and double check. The same thing. 200% move. So yeah, as you guys know, I don't trade everything, but I do the charts for you guys. So I expect you guys to like take advantage of them. I just like to personally free flow, and I just like having the alert set up. So I just know like, hey, I just remember because I did the chart. Like, oh, when the alert pings, I remember like, oh, okay, this is what happened. I jump in the trade. Gold with a little rejection cracking. Whoa, Bitcoin short is printing. You guys aren't gonna say anything? You guys just holding the shorts all by yourselves? Oh, Mavia's turning over too. Let's go. Turbo doesn't give a fuck. Turbo does not give a fuck. Look at it. It's about to do a color change even. Look at it. Look at it go. That thing's nuts. Virtual printing. Easy money. Even me myself, like I'm loving these days that we're in like daily zones. It's like now we're starting to really like just understand the playbook. Like, hey, watch for the chop a little bit, chill out, keep it patient, and then that the trending move is gonna come. Even if it's not even this right here. This might not even be it. All right, champions. Stop the recording.